Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we have a fully completed Blue Baron 47. It took us 3 weeks, despite what's going on with the pandemic, the coronavirus. We still remained committed and focused on fully completing this unit with the utmost high quality and materials. And it came out beautiful as usual. All our units do. This is a fully capable unit. It can go up to 3,000 pounds pressure. The working pressure will enable you to do a whole array of different types of jobs, from carpet and upholstery cleaning up to wall surfaces, floor tile type jobs, concrete. The icon of our series of Blue Baron truck mounts is the Access Point heat exchanger. And it's 3,500 pounds pressure rated, all stainless heavy wall tubing, and a patented arrangement which allows quick access to heat, stable, a high rise in heat, and a more stabler heat than other conventional heat exchanger systems. There is no copper in this unit, so it enables you to get high pressures without bursting your tubing and ruining your whole job. So there's full capability of being able to get a full range of pressure, working pressures. We also have a post heater at the bottom, which acts as a preheat element to recirculate back into the water box, preheat. We also have a thermal guard on our water boxes to prevent any over temperization of the water box itself. All stainless header, polished, heavy duty, TIG welded, all stainless header. Unlike any of the in the industry, it will give you longevity. This thing that will last a lifetime. Everything that we build on here is just awesome. Awesome materials, workmanship. The plate is quarter thick, all powder coated. Stainless flex, all stainless heat exchanger. Free flow system. Absolutely no post heaters or preheaters tied off the vacuum system, which, as you probably know, diminishes your CFM, and the consequence is that you end up with overwet carpets taking forever to dry. This unit will do very long lengths. This is the 47. This is a beefy unit, and that 37 horse Kohler really keeps up the torque. There's no lag. Even when you add on hoses, you're not seeing any drop in RPM. This is a really great Kohler engine, 37 horse. And you can see the post heater at the bottom. Our fittings, and our high standard fittings, high quality, similar to what you get in the car wash industry or in the pressure washer industry. All of these fittings are super high quality. We have stainless braided hoses. Unlike other people that don't, use rubber hoses, we do use high quality hydraulics hoses for the going from the unloader straight to your heater. And full instrument panel, tachometer, and a bonus hour meter. This has a aviation throttle, which gives you granular adjustments of your RPMs so that you can control the speed much better. It's real sturdy. It's not like those cheap T throttles that have a tendency to break off, and that can be very frustrating. So this is a really sturdy unit here. This throttle is used in aircraft, so it's been tested over a long period of time in its usage. So we have an oil cup here, and we have a three-way valve for our chemical. When it points up, it points to your chemical. The downward side is your prime. We have a high out ports, which one can be used for your pre-sprayer or 2 wands. This has 2 wand capability, so you can get more jobs done quicker and faster. You have a hand adjusted unloader which adjusts your water pressure. You have your vacuum gauge and you have your temperature gauge. Everything's nicely labeled for user-friendly panel. We have instructions at the bottom, and we have our thermostat to control our heat. And everything is, you know, really well put together, easy to service. We have pullbacks for our belt adjustment, make sure we get proper tension. We have alignment tools. We have the same thing on the pump as well. We have a drain here for your pump oil, and we also have a drain here for your engine oil. In addition to all of that, we went all out to make sure that you got connections for your fresh water pump and your wastewater, which is separately fused, so to allow you to get full operation and run all of these devices at the same time with no problem at all. Very simple wiring scheme, easy to troubleshoot, but I'll be honest with you, we've had very little problems with our DC circuits and the way we set them up. Very well put together, simplified, and so we've had a good repair record on the 47XL and all the Blue Barons for that matter. These are great units. They'll work day and night. They're workhorses, and we are proud of what we put together here. Call us today at 727-505-2989 and we'll answer any of your questions. Come down and demo our units. This one is going out very shortly. It was a 3-week build, despite all of what's going on in the world. Please stay safe for you and your family and friends, and call us 727-505-2989. Thank you.